Hello dolls and gents, and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I have a influencer. And if you're not signed up with Influencer, my link will be down below. You get these products absolutely free, and I would appreciate it if you would use my link to help me out. So let's see what Influencer has sent me this time. Oh, y'all, Nature's Bounty Cranberry Gummies. And they sent me, do y'all see this? A full size 150 cranberry raspberry gummies. Clinically studied for healthy urinary tract function, y'all. Does not expire till 2023. So let me tell you guys. Oh, wow. This is crazy. Crazy, okay? These gummies are non-GMO. Supports urinary health. Whole fruit concentrate. Delicious cran raspberry flavored gummies. No starch. No artificial flavor. No milk. No lactose. No soy. No gluten. No wheat. No yeast. No fish. Nature's Bounty is committed to your health. For 50 years, we have been making trusted products backed by science and made with only the best ingredients. Oh my goodness. Serving size. Wow, 5 gummies daily. It says preferably with a meal. I'm going to try one on camera with y'all so I can tell y'all how it tastes. It says 5 gummies daily, y'all. So I got to remember to take 5 gummies every day. Calories, 45 calories. Sugars is 7. That's not bad. Carbohydrates is 11. Sodium is 10. That's not bad. Cranberry is 500 milligrams. Okay. All right. This is awesome. Look at this. This is awesome. There's the gummies. 150 gummies. Doesn't expire till July 2023. So let's probably got to try. Let's see. Push down and turn. Oh, Lord. My carpal tunnel don't want me to open it. It's sealed. There's a gummy stuck on there. Let's see how it tastes, y'all. I didn't doubt it was going to taste good because Nature's Bounty. Wow. They're really good. It's cranberry raspberry. You get a mix of both. And I know how some of y'all know that cranberry is very tart. It must be the raspberry in it, but it's not tart. It's not bitter. You're not going to frown up your face. It's not tart. I have no problem taking 5 of these at one time. I have absolutely no problem taking 5 of these at one time. I can do that with my eyes closed. Very flavorful. Very good. Not tart. I love the raspberry and cranberry together. They're not tough. You know how you get some gummies and they're really, really like tough, like hard and chewy and what? No, these are not tough. Slide down very easily. I can see why they give you 150 because you got to take 5 a day. So, you know, you're only going to have, I wonder if that would get you a month. Let me see what 5 a day. Let's see. If there's 30 days in a month and I take 5. Yep, this is a month's worth. This is a month's worth of gummies. That's how many it is, a month's worth. So that is really, really awesome, you guys. I am going to take this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this for a week. And then I'm going to come back just to let you guys know, like, hey, I'm good. It's good. No problems. I don't know how long it takes to see results. But I guess my urinary tract will just be perfectly fine. Perfectly fine, y'all. Because it supports urinary tract health. I do already take some probiotics So I need to look up taking probiotics in conjunction with this. I don't think it will be any problem at all, but I'm definitely going to look it up. But I'm going to take this for a week, and then I'm going to come back and give y'all an update. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Okay guys, welcome back. And so I have been taking these gummies for probably about 2 weeks now, and I wanted to come back and give you guys my thoughts in case I forget, which I don't want to do. So I will say this, I love these gummies. I love the way they taste. They're not bitter, they taste good. I love what they stand for doing. As you can see, you know, cran mango, cran tropical. I'm a cranberry person, but if you're not a cranberry person due to like the tartness of cranberry, this is cranberry raspberry, so you don't get so much of that cran tartness. I haven't been to a doctor yet. You know, I don't know about the urinary tract healthy, but I will do anything to keep my urinary tract healthy, okay? This is clinically studied for healthy urinary tract function. Okay, so I am going to repurchase these because I think it's good for me and baby girl to both have in the house. I may run out faster than a month because I'm going to have her taking them as well. I just wanted to take them to see. I haven't had any problems with this or anything whatsoever. So now I'm going to put them on our counter in there where we keep all of the vitamins that we take, so she can start taking them. It is 5 a day, as I said before, and that 5 a day in this bottle gives you a 30-day supply. However, I will probably run out in like what, 15 days or so, because me and her both are going to be taking 5 a day, but it's totally worth it for both of us to have healthy urinary tract. It does say recommended with food. One day I did take it in the morning because I didn't want to like forget, and all I usually have in the morning is coffee. I'm not a breakfast person. It didn't bother me. It didn't bother my stomach. That could be just me. All the other days I did take it when I got home around dinner time. But I did take it like 1 or 2 times like in the morning because I was like, let me just go ahead and take this so I don't forget later. And I did not have any problem with it at all. So if you are interested, or if you are a gummy taker and you have a hard time swallowing pills, which me and baby girl both really don't care for swallowing pills, I love that you can get vitamins, nutrients, and everything that you need out of gummies. There's a 500 milligram serving, and it is a natural source of antioxidants. So definitely look into this if you're trying to, along with everything else that you may be doing for urinary tract health. This is something that you can look into because I have enjoyed it. Nature's Bounty, something that's been around for a long time. You can possibly also find coupons or find it on sale with Walgreens, Walmart, Target, anywhere. Amazon probably has it. Like I said, this was sent to me free for review by Influenster, but this is something that I am going to continue to keep in my life, along with the other things that I am doing for healthy urinary tract. Whole fruit concentrate, I'm not sure what that means, but if I am getting a source of fruit in this, I'll take that as well. As I told you guys before, there's no artificial color, no GMO, no artificial flavor, no sweetener, no starch, no milk, no lactose, no soy, no gluten, no wheat, no yeast, and no fish. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this into the kitchen so we can not my husband, just me and baby girl, can take this. Let me know if you guys have any questions, any comments, anything down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review.